I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
So as you can see, I have already moisturized my face and I have lip balm on. So I'm going to apply my primer first, and I'm shooting in natural light today. I'm going to apply this primer evenly onto my face and onto my neck. Next, I'm applying foundation. I'm using Maybelline Dream Satin foundation. It's a really nice budget foundation that gives you a nice dewy look with medium to high coverage. Doing my brows next, I'm brushing them first with a spoolie brush in downward direction, and then I'm applying Dip Brow Pomade to shape and fill them. I'm just filling any gaps that I see using a thin brush that will help create thin strokes. To blend my pomade even more, I'm going to run a spoolie brush to set my brows. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm applying some concealer onto my lids, which will hide the pigmentation and will make the eyeshadow pop even more. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Vogue. I'm going to apply this beige mauve matte shade all over my lids. Next, I'm going to apply this little darker matte cream shade. Make sure to tap off the excess product to avoid putting too much product and for easier blending. I'm applying this onto the outer V and outer crease area of my eyelid. Blend it using gentle brush strokes so that there are no harsh lines. Now, since this is a classic winged eyeliner look, so I'm going to draw a sharp liner. To do that, I'm marking a point at the end of my eye crease, and then I'm going to join it to the end of my upper lash line and draw rest of my wing. I also have a video on eyeliner hacks, so check it out. I'll post the link down in the description box below. Next, I'm curling my lashes using Vega eyelash curler. This is a nice affordable lash curler. And then I'm going to coat them with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. To give this look extra oomph, I'm going to apply these fake lashes by PAC. Lash glue that I'm using is by Ardell. Next, I'm applying concealer onto my under eye area, around my mouth. I usually don't apply concealer around my mouth, but today I'm going for a deep red lip look. So I want to brighten up that area. This will make my red lip look more striking. Here is a simple trick that I learned while experimenting with my makeup. It is to blend concealer using a foundation brush first. This helps in creaseless blending of concealer because of fine hair of foundation brush, so it doesn't look cakey. And later on, I like to use a beauty sponge for a flawless finish. Try this and I'm sure you will love it. I haven't groomed my brows for a really long time, so I'm applying some concealer onto the edges of my brow to hide unwanted baby hair. This will help my brows look more sharp. Now, before coating my lower lash line, I'm going to apply the same matte cream eyeshadow onto my lower lash line and smudge it using a tiny eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm applying same mascara onto my lower lashes. To finish off the eye look, I'm applying some eyeliner onto my eyelash wand to hide it. To contour my face, I'm using this amazing face palette by Sugar Cosmetics. This one is Subtle Summit. So I'm applying it onto the hollows of my cheek and blending it towards my hairline. I'm also applying it onto my forehead hairline and under my jawline. Next, I'm applying this soft peach blush from same palette, tapping off the excess product and applying it onto my cheeks, not bringing it inwards because I have a chubby face, and if I apply it on to the center of my cheeks. It will make my cheeks look even more plump. Next, I'm contouring my nose using a small eyeshadow brush and contour powder. I'm applying it onto the sides of the bridge of my nose ever so slightly. I'm gently blending contour powder so that it looks natural and seamless. I'm also going to apply it under my lips. The shadow beneath will give an illusion of fuller lips. Next, I'm using the highlighter from Saint Sugar Cosmetics face palette. This is a really nice champagne gold highlighter, and I'm going to apply it onto the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, and onto the sides of my forehead, and onto the bridge of my nose, wherever light hits naturally. Moving on to the lips. When working with red lips, application is the key. Make sure you have well exfoliated lips and there are no dry flakes. Next, apply a red lip liner to outline your lips. I'm also applying this red lip liner to the outer corners of my lips to prevent color bleeding and fading. Next, I'm applying this gorgeous lipstick by Maybelline. It's in the shade Fatal Red. I'm using a lip brush to apply it. You can also apply it directly using the bullet, but brush gives a defined and flawless application. Now moving on to hairstyle tutorial. Step 1 is to do a deep side parting using a tail comb and secure the front section using a clip. Next, take rest of your hair and tie it into a side low ponytail. Next, take small section of hair from ponytail and start twisting it and grab a strand of hair and push hair upwards to make it messy. Now roll it and secure it with thin bobby pins. You can also take two small sections and twist them like a rope and push them to make it messy and roll them. Now repeat the same process and create small buns. Now grab any flyaway and secure them with bobby pins. Next, release the front section and divide it into two parts. Take the back section and start twisting it and wrap it around your side bun and secure with bobby pins. Next, take the front section and start twisting the ends and secure it right under the twist of back section. Next, apply some serum to smooth out the front loose wave and set your hairdo with hairspray. And this is the finished look. I added some jewelry, ear cuff to accessorize. I love how elegant and classy the finished look is. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I will see you soon. Take care and stay blessed.